Oh my God. There we go. So you want to get that shit out.
Right.
Ooh.
Hot.
It's warm. What do we call it?
Bill's relocated the crab. Is it the same one? What do you think it's the same one? Let's go. Is it in deep? You got him pinned. Bill's got him pinned with a stick.
I just pinned movement. Oh yeah, I can just see a leg there.
Are you going to grab him by the nips? I wouldn't grab him by the back. He might get you.
I don't even know if I can get my hands on the line. Water's green.
Yeah, it's getting dirty, and there's another one.
Is this smaller?
We know there's big crocs out here. They're frequently spotted by the planes.
Oh shit, I can't see him. Hey!
Get him, Phil.
Hold on to the roots.
He's holding on. Well, I am sticking my hand down there.
Oh shit.
Look at this place.
I've got one nipper. He's just holding on to the root with the other one.
This is mental. You better not lose him. Oh my God. Yes! Yes! You're kidding. Look at the size. Wow. We did it! Bill got the crab. I literally seen him like running at me over there. And then we chased him around here. I called Bill over and we lost him. I walked up there and Bill's got him. Wait, give us another look, Bill. Hold up. Oh, these waves. Just come firing at Billy. Look at the little sucker. Where are you heading? Little tacker. Ooh. He's about the size of
It's so hard to grab these small ones, eh?
Yeah, that big one was way more placid. Look at that. He's fiery. That's awesome. Look at that. He's throwing them up. Who wants some? J-U-N-S. Come at me. Yeah, great.
So, because we didn't have ice with us, I just brained him to put him out. Like literally just jam my knife in through there and shorted him. So, what we're going to do now is split him up, break these claws off, crack them nicely, split the body, pull the guts out, and then we'll chuck this delicious, our absolute favourite, sweet chilli. And, they're pretty easy to split. Like literally, just get your thumb in under there, and you'll feel the top of the crab will literally just start to a bit of. Oh, wow, strong this prick. Get this in there.
Easy to crack.
There we go. So you want to get that shit out. All this sort of crap. Get rid of this because he's not going to eat that.
It'll make you sick.
Well, they're just like, they're just nothing. It's just these little filter things. And obviously, we're in Queensland, so this is a male. We don't keep females.
So just washed them out.
Ooh,
Hot.
it's warm. What we call mud crab lollipop. Look how good it is with all that sauce. And wow, how good's this rain?
We're getting wet. That's it for this episode.
Okay, first spot in here. Down it it goes. Oh, got a crab. We've got a muddy. Oh, shit, better not lose him. But it looks like they're both ginnies. There's a little buck. But definitely undersized. Double check this one, make sure it is definitely a... Yeah, to see that shape. See that there? It's definitely a female, more of a circle around the base. There are crabs in here, but none on here. So I'll let these guys go. There we go, coming to our second pot. Just little ones. What do we got? Two young bucks. Another crab, but looks like another small one. What is it? Another little buck. That's definitely not going to be legal. There he goes back in. Well, that's 4 pots. Every pot's had a muddy, so I've caught my first muddy, but not my first legal muddy. So it's a start. Okay, one pot loaded up. What I might do while I'm here is just set my rod up. Have a flick. I know luck with muddies, so I'm going to try and save myself some fish. Pots back in just in the off chance that, I don't know, I might have, there might be another crab getting around. And look at this big boy. I don't want to get to a better spot. I'm in the shit. In the trees here. Gonna lose my esky. Okay. I'm all caught up. Okay, I think we're good now. Oh, it looks like we've got a good buck. I'm just hoping he's legal. Double check he's definitely a buck. Yeah, he's definitely a buck. Shit, he looks like a good sized crab. Oh, that was worth it. Just make sure he doesn't get out. So yeah, like I was saying, just bloody threw him back in, went and checked my pots, and I thought, oh, what's the, you know, you never know. Oh, he's got some big, I need to find a good spot here. That's definitely a Jenny on this side. Okay. Okay. Now, secret is take this slow and steady. Yeah, he is a good buck. Now the question is how I do this without bloody losing him. First of all, I'm going to have a measure. Okay, he's definitely over. He's a good sized buck, bloody hell. I wonder if I can go. I'm actually a bit bloody worried about this, but let's see how we go. If I can get him. Secret is don't get bloody woo! Look at that big boy. Oh. Okay. Gee, look at that guy. Now, first of all, we can see it's a buck. It's got the V. It's a V, and then what I need is it to be more than 12 centimeters across. So this one here is pushing probably 1800. So, oh, I'm stoked. First Brizzy mud crab. I thought I was just getting jennies and young bucks, and I'm shaking. It's bloody threw this pot back in, and yeah, oh, so wrapped. Look at that. That's absolute cracker. Not the easiest. Well, I've decided to throw just a catch and cook to the end of this video. It's first time preparing crab, first time cooking crab, but yeah, give it a go. Pretty decent size. Yeah, so should be plenty of meat. Sounds like he should be solid. So all I've done so far is just give him a good clean up. And what I'm going to do is just prepare him, because tonight I'm going to be making chili crab. So I just jumped on YouTube and checked out a few other videos of how to prepare crab. So what we're going to do is give it a crack and we'll see how I get on. So from what I can tell, the first step is, what we want to try and do is pull this. So what we do is pull this away. Like so. We'll discard that. And then hopefully this should just pull off. Oh, yep, there we go. Okay, so the top is off. I'm going to get rid of all this out of here. And what I'm going to do is, I'm doing chili crabs, so I want to split it in half. And apparently it's easier to get to the guts and bits and pieces, so we'll see how this goes. Okay. Okay, so that's the crab all prepared. In half, all the guts gone, and yeah, ready for later on when I start making the chili crab. So what I'm going to do is just put them back in the fridge, and then I'll start getting all the other ingredients ready, and then a little bit later, we'll get into the cooking. Okay, so I've checked out a swag of chili crab recipes and kind of come up with a plan. First of all, what we're going to do is get the chili sauce going. So we've got chilies, ginger, garlic, white onion, some shrimp paste, hot sauce. Get it all cut up, get it mixed together, and then heat it up, and then it'll be time for the crabs. So I won't give you a blow-by-blow account of me making it. I'll do a few shots here and there, but there's plenty of recipes online. Check them out. But okay, go time. Let's get this cut up and then get it in the pan.